Good day. Let's look at how we can import and export products from CSV or Excel. First things first, we log on to our system and then we go to inventory. Okay. Once on inventory, we go to products. Our products are short as thumbnails by default. So what I'll need to do is show these products as a list. So I go to the far right corner and then there is list. Now I've got products shown as list. So to import my products, all I need to do is click on import. I can import from a CSV or Excel file. So the next step now is load the file. Okay, I've got a template here, a CSV template that I've got. Okay, that's my product. So I'll just upload that. Give my system a chance to read the template. Okay, there we go. So from now, I'll choose the fields that I want to import onto the system. For example, if I don't need the external ID, I just cross it out. If I don't need the barcode, I can also remove it. Barcode, internal reference, there's a name, is done all that for me. If I need to change that name, maybe to say that's a description, I can always select description. But every product needs to have a name, so we'll leave name on there. Okay, so now I've got the barcode, internal reference, the name, the sales description, and the standard price, which is our cost price, and the selling price. Now, once that is done, we need to validate. Everything seems valid, so we import. Okay, we're done. So our products are imported into the system. Now, let's try and export products. So I'll select the products I want to export. If I need to export all of my products, I'll just click on there and then it will export all the products that I've got on my system. So I'll go to action, export. Let's look at these fields here on your left. These are all the fields that are available to export to your list. So active, if the product is active or not, then I click on there. Bill of material, I won't need that, but I need barcode. Availability, I need that. Cost price, I'll need that. Maybe I might need an image as well, so let's export that. But some systems might not read this image. But if you're importing from a Bits and Bytes ERP system to another Bits and Bytes ERP system, then the image will work. Internal reference, you might need that. So you just select all the things that you think you're going to need. And then the price, this is the cost price again. So we need to enter the public price, which is our normal selling price. Okay, now we've got everything. I can save this list so that next time I am importing, I just select that list and then we good to go. So I'll save this list as my fav list. Okay, so this list is saved. Now next time I want to import, I can always go to my fav list. Now we can choose the format we want to export as CSV or Excel. In this case, I'll choose Excel. Then all I need to do is export to file. Okay, now we've got an issue with the images. So one of the images is corrupt. So let's take out image from this whole list. export. Okay, that's it, done now, this file.